I had a customer drop this vehicle off. It was referred to me through a mutual friend who is a mobile technician. Now, this is the type of quality work a mobile technician would put out. Hard time starting, keep in mind. New battery, great. AC Delco, wonderful brand. I enjoy it. I like it. I have very little issues with it. First off, the ground isn't clean at all. It was loose. Airbox, loose as a goose. It's not even connected halfway through. Power steering lines were replaced. But how were they replaced? The pump was replaced. Let me guess. They reused the old washers. Sure, it's still leaking. New reservoir. Those rarely leak, but let's replace it. Unreal. And then over here on the high pressure side, what do you see? I see hose clamps. I don't know about you. Yeah, you guys want to save some money. To all my customers out there, go ahead. Go with your mobile technician. Yeah, he's the one that's going to do this for you. Instead of repairing it proper-wise, he's going to make it look like it works. But I'll tell you what, it don't work. And it won't even fix your issue. You'll end up with more issues than that. So now I'm quoting this customer not only a new power steering high pressure line, low pressure line, starter wire cleaning, adding a new ground, valve cover gaskets tune up, intermediate shaft has play. That was the issue. That was the issue the whole time. Hard steering. The intermediate shaft down there, it's clunkety donkety. All right? When you turn in the wheel, look at that. Would you look at it? Just look at that. Look at that rip. Do you see the rip? Do you see the rip? Do you see it? I see it. I sure do. And then when I felt it, I was like, oh, that's damn intermediate shaft. Brand new reservoir. Brand new pump. The amount of money this poor soul threw into this shit box. I feel so bad for him. What are you gonna do? Keep calling your mobile technicians and you'll get service. With a smile. Oh, I'm not done yet. Let's lift her up. Almost there. We're getting there. Yep. Hold on to your fucking hats, people. What do we see here? We see a welded exhaust. Not too bad. Weld's stanky, but it's all good as long as it works. But it don't. It's leaking. It's leaking, bro. You missed the whole point of this weld. It's the fucking flex pipe, brother. And not only that, you ended up not even tightening the bolts to the header flange. Get fucked. Save money, they said. It's worth it, they say. I doubt it. Look at this shit. What do I see here? Oh, it's power steering fluid. I wonder why. Maybe because of this shiesty ass repair over here, or maybe this one over here, or maybe even the cooler line. I don't know. It's wet over here, so it's gotta be something over here. Yeah, the cooler line is leaking. Wow, why would we replace the cooler line when it's easier just to replace a hose with some worm gear clamps that are awfully tight with rips that go like potato chips? I mean, like, get fucked, dude. Are you gonna get fucked? You sure will. He did brakes. He did an axle. Good for him. A brand new axle. I see the residue. I see the grease just slinging around. He put a brand new axle. He's like, while we're at it, let's do brakes while we're in there, huh? Let's do brakes while we're in there. Let's do fucking brakes while we're in there. Well, let's do brakes. Let's look at brakes. Let's hear the sweet sound of new brakes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Dad. Thank you. Thank you for fucking me. And then on top of that, like, who the fuck does it like this? This is just throwing me off for a loop. And you didn't even recommend new toe links, bro. You're gonna have to get the hardware too. And right here, oh, we got a maybe a bad shock. There's a weird noise in the back every time I hit a bump. And also, if you don't see this, if your technician misses this, I wouldn't call him a technician. I'd call him a thief.